Hi guys, welcome back to Outre's Try On Wigs with me. This is your girl at _CrownedK back with you with another episode. So y'all know the deal. We're here to try on these fabulous wigs and I have my wig cap on. I'm super ready, and guys, today's wig would be Outre's Lacefront Arlena wig, and the first color that I'm trying is the 613 color. Like, we're starting off really bold. This wig comes in an array of colors. You have natural colors and then you have like different colors suited to your style, so you can definitely find a color that's for you. Guys, the wig comes constructed with a breathable cap. It has combs on the inside as well as a adjustable strap, so you can fix the wig to like your head size. And guys, this wig has HD transparent lace. It has pre-plucked Swiss lace. It has natural baby hairs that comes, as well as it has heat resistant fiber. It's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we've got like the specs out of the way, let's like get into the try on portion. And guys, I use my Got To Be gel just to make like some edges, and this is the first color, honey, and she is fabulous. Like, this 613 is giving me vibe. This is not for the weak at heart. This is for the brave. This is for the spicy mamas. Like, I love this 613 color. I always feel like that girl when I have my 613 color on, and this wig looks amazing. You can definitely add powder to your part, and you can do your baby hairs just so the wig lays and looks more natural. You could always use a hot comb and put on the parting so it's more flat. I didn't do that, but if I'm wearing this unit out, I'll definitely like put my hot comb. It comes down right where my bust area is, so that's the length of the wig. And we're going into this other beautiful color. This is their DR2730, and this is like my favorite color. This is like my favorite color ever. I love it so much. I think Outre's coloring like on this specific wig, the way how the ombre goes, it's beautiful. I love it, and it suits my complexion. It makes my eyes sparkle. Tell me guys down below, like, what color is your favorite color, because this is hands down mine. The wig is really full in the back. The ombre of the colors is beautiful. They did a fantastic job on this wig. Are you feeling her? Because I'm feeling her. And again, I went in with my concealer on the part, and I did some baby hairs because the wig does come with baby hairs. And then guys, we're going into the 1B color. So if you want to play it safe, they definitely have safe colors like normal hair color, but then you know, you have the extra if you want to be extra. So the 1B is your typical 1B color. And guys, I love the curl pattern or the wave pattern on these units. It's really nice, and it's constructed the same way. There are 3 combs, it's a breathable cap, and it has adjustable straps. And this is the 1B, and it looks really pretty. I think this looks like a human hair wig. It really was giving me like a virgin wig kind of vibe. And what I like is how the lace can melt. So if you want to spray the lace down so it gives you an even more realistic look, you can definitely do that. And I love that they provide baby hairs. Yo, this wig is bomb, and I'm loving it. I hope that you love it as well. Let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure to like this video, be sure to share it, and be sure to comment. Thank you guys for tuning into another try on wigs with me. I really hope you enjoyed it, because I enjoyed making this video for you. I'll catch you guys in a next episode. Be sure to tune in. I'll be back, y'all. Bye. Mwah.